the next point, that is final keyword. The keyword final is a modifier which can be used with a variable, with a method, with a class. So final variable, final method, and final class. When a variable is declared by the keyword final, then the value of that variable is fixed. So when I will take a variable as final, so that value is fixed. We know that variable value may vary at the time of execution, but if the variable I will declare as final, the value is fixed. At the time of compilation, the compiler will treat the value directly, not type. If we will try to change the value, then we will get error, compile time error. Okay, for example, I can write, suppose if I'll write final int x equals to 100. So the value of x is fixed. So if I am trying to change, then it will give the error, compile time error. It will give the error. Okay. Suppose if I will write let class demo, let I will write final int x equals to 100, and suppose I will define a method void get method, suppose, and I will write x equals to 200. So it will give error. So this part will give error. So final variable, the value is fixed. The final variable, the value is fixed. Final variable, the value is fixed. So it is a small terminology. Okay. So the keyword final. So when I will declare with a variable, the value of that variable is fixed. So if I will try to change that value, so I will get error. Then final keyword we can use with a method. When a method is preceded by the keyword final, that means that we can say that is final method. Then that method can't be overridden. So final method cannot overridden. So already we have seen in my last class. So you see, this is an example of method overriding. So here journing method and its signature in vehicle class, and journing method and its signature in car class is exactly same. So we say that journing method in car class is overridden method. Now if I will declare as final, so this journing method if I will declare as what final, you see it will give the error. Yes, it will give error. Final, if I will hit run, I will get error. Now I executed, you see, so we will get error. Yes, overridden method is final. Immediately that error came, and directly it is what identifying overridden method is final. That means once a method I am declaring as final, so that method cannot be overridden. So now from this point, from this observation, we got clarity. Final method cannot be overridden. Now I will hit run. So happily I will get the output. You see, we got output journeying by vehicle and journeying by car. So final method never overridden. Overall, we got final method never overridden. Similarly, when I will represent, I will define a class as final. When we will define a class as final, then we can't create create a what subclass from that final class. Okay, if I will write suppose class A, but this class, if I will write final class A, and so once a class is declared as final, then if I will write, I will create a subclass class V, let extends A. So now it will give error. This is compile time error. So what we are observing, once we have a final class, we cannot create a subclass from that final class. So what the note point we got? Final variable value is fixed, value never changed. Final method never overridden, and final class, once a class we are declaring as final, then we can't create a subclass. That means final class never extended. So this is all about the final keyword. It is a small terminology that you have to remember. The keyword final, basically we say as modifier.